Hey there, e-bike fans. It's been a really exciting week. This week, the Lectric XP Step-thru bike that we ordered came in. I just put together a quick pickup video and unboxing and assembly of the bike. And what I wanted to do is just a fun video of when I picked it up and brought it back home to do unboxing. Now, I just wanted to add a few comments before the video begins. One, you'll see that I picked up the bike at our external mailbox place. And that's because I've heard a lot of stories of FedEx dropping these Lectric XP bikes off in front of people's houses and leaving without even signatures. And our area is not a place that can be done. It's not safe. So I did have it shipped to our mailbox, and that's where I picked it up. You'll see that. And the other thing that I would like to say is that it is a assembly that doesn't require any tools. But I did find that I used a really sharp, clean wire cutter. It really helped expedite taking off all the zip ties that are on there. I've seen other people use knives and scissors, and I mean, guess any tool that you use could potentially scratch the bike, but then the wire cutters just easily snipped everything off really quickly. The other, I guess, only other comment I would have is, as you're slowly unpacking the bike, look for the handlebars and put them in a place where the cable is not being stretched or pulled on, and maybe even install it right away onto the bike itself. And that's the third tip that I have. Also, the last tip, the biggest one I think, would be download the user manual from the Lectric XP website and read it ahead of time. That way you're not sitting there trying to figure out where everything is or how to turn things on or even how to unlock it. But those are just a little small tips that I have about the unboxing. I will be doing a full commentary walk around on the bike on the next video that's coming up. I wanted to get a few miles under my belt so that I could explain the parts a little better about how they feel and some of the pros and cons of maybe the design. It's a great bike. It's a lot of fun. But I have a lot of accessories that were ordered in advance due to some of the things that I've heard of, like the seat being changed out, seat posts, and those type of things. And I'll be having all those accessory videos come up. And the last thing I just want to say is thank you all for the support, all the great comments and the interaction that I've been having on this channel. It's been a lot of fun. And I really appreciate all of your support and your encouragement along the way. And I just hope that you like and thumbs up videos. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I have a ton of accessory product videos coming up. If you have any suggestions, please let me know as well. Maybe I already have things. We're going to do some DIY projects along the way as well. But till then, enjoy the video, and thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.